Thanks, Tamika. In 2009, Crimson Wine Group decided it wanted to learn more about its wholesale business through a data lens, and it became a Dimensional Insight customer. The company is now a shining example of how you can use analytics at all levels of the organization to gain insights that were never before possible. Teresa Woods, Director of Sales Operations at Crimson, is here to talk to us today about the company's data journey and show us some of the most critical reports it uses in the organization. Welcome, Teresa.
Thanks for having me, Kathy.
Now, Teresa, you've been with Crimson from the beginning of your partnership with Dimensional Insight. Can you briefly share some of your journey to becoming a more data-driven organization?
Sure. As you mentioned, we did start back in 2009, and our current leadership team at the time had previous experience with Diver. So we signed up for ProDiver and started with a few canned reports. However, the need for quicker access, ease of use, and better visible presentation evolved over time, and we started building dashboards and data scorecards that have become a full library of reports within the DivePort platform. The great thing about DivePort is it allows the user to obtain powerful information in a simplistic manner, and our team can acquire the data they need with very few steps.
Now, can you show us some of the most useful reports your organization uses on a daily basis?
Sure, let's go into our menu. The data management folder highlighted on the administrative menu holds the new items, the product sizing mapping, our goal uploads and maintenance, and various lookups to allow us to maintain the database of our reporting. For all users, our most popular folder is Business Review. A single click on the Business Review icon featured here will take us to several dashboards and reports. There's a lot of data here, but we will focus on the most commonly used views. On the initial launch, you will see an overview of 4 different data dashboards that are visible and can be reported under RAD, depletions, or shipments and viewed in any given time period during the current reporting year or 2 years historical by changing the quick views. The matrix is our most popular analytic view. I don't know if it's because of the cool name or because it can be giving you an entire review of RAD, depletions, and shipments within a few clicks. This set of dashboards and grids are the daily go-to for our team. Another highly useful set of analytics is the RAD scorecard. We spend a lot of time within RAD information since it tells us where our product is sold, not just what is sold. Staying on top of retail trends is key to building a healthy business and allows you to react to changes within the consumer space more effectively.
Now, one of the newest additions to your data library is your trade parency data reports. Can you talk about those reports and show us some examples?
Well, working in tandem with your team, we have developed reports that will provide visibility and analysis for our wholesale distribution expenses that occur after the sale. This will assist with budgeting and planning, help our sales team manage our product pricing, and look for ways to reduce our costs overall. We have a full suite of reports, but we'll highlight 2 that our sales team have been asking for since we started using trade parency. Once the trade parency menu is open, you will see all reports in the sub-menu. Below is the initial launch of the menu, and trade spend is loaded as the default report in view, and the other reports that are available are listed in the header. The initial view shows the total trade spend year to date for the most recent month of captured trade parency data, in this case, May of 2023 by brand. As you can see from the quick view filters above, you can change the criteria in multiple ways to dive deeper into the data. To focus on a monthly sample expense for the last 12 months, you would change the quick views to period rolling 12, change to your region, change the expense type to samples, and if you have not processed the current month's invoices, change the current date. The above was changed as outlined for the Northeast, showing the total monthly sample expense for all distributors and all brands for the rolling 12-month period of May 2022 to April 2023. By clicking on the region in the report header, a pop-up menu will appear so you can change the view further. The report was changed to focus on a monthly sample expense for the rolling 12 period by state and then sorted in descending order, highest to lowest, by the total spend by clicking on the total trade spend header just once. At this point, you can export this to Excel or PDF, or you can continue to dive further until you achieve the view you are looking to capture. The DA Deal Analysis Report is intended to help with managing your deals. Below is the initial launch view of the grid with lots of blank rows. Although the initial view looks a bit underwhelming, when you filter the quick views to change the focus of the data, this will be very useful for reviewing current deals paid and the percent of volume. The example below has the quick views changed to Far West, Distributor State California, and Product Group Cabernet Sauvignon Napa Valley. Then it's sorted by DA price within the report. And you can see how useful this will be for managing your deals, percent of business, and clean up unused deals. And for further analysis or disbursement, you can also download this in Excel and PDF by using the grid below. The DA deal analysis is definitely the report that our team will be using the most within the Trade Parency Suite.
Well, Teresa, it's so nice to see your team deriving so much value from our technology. Thank you for sharing some of your great work with all of us. Tamika, sending it back to you.